Hi, this dance is called Man on a Mission, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia and Bapak Suroto, also from Indonesia, on July 2024. There are 32 count, 4 whirls, improver level line dance. There is no take and restart in this dance. And the intro is 32 count. Okay? Without wasting any more time, let's start with the section 1. Section 1, kick, ball, side touch, kick, ball, side touch, rock forward, recover, and anchor step. Section 2, SAMBA WHISK, left, SAMBA WHISK, right, and then quarter turn to left, walk forward, and lock shuffle forward. Section 3, side hold together, side cross touch, and then quarter turn to left, step forward, brush, and then half pivot to left, step forward, quarter turn, half turn to left, step, recover on left foot. And then section 4, rock forward, recover together, step forward, quarter turn to right, recover on right foot, and then cross, quarter turn, step back, quarter turn, step to side, and close touch. Okay, now let me repeat with a count. I'll do it slowly. Section 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On a wall 2, section 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial of our new collaborations choreo called Man on a Mission. I hope you like the music, I hope you enjoyed the choreo, and we look forward to see you the demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.